Have you ever faced construction challenges and struggled to find an optimal solution? Put that worry away, because WOW Tech will bring the key to effective construction tips. Unlock the treasure of knowledge by pressing the subscribe button right now. With a little creativity, you can turn a saw blade into a sturdy and effective stand for laser leveler. Transform a small wooden block into a clever measuring tool for evenly spacing the wooden planks. The high temperature of the torch will soften the paint layer, causing it to peel off and easy to scrape away. It would be such a waste for excess mortar to fall like that. Then you should utilize a nylon bag, a straw, and steel pipe clamps to control the amount of mortar you need.
Perfect.
Let this excavator level the ground for you. The small tip of the syringe makes it easy to reach and fill difficult to get in gaps.
Nice.
This smooth surface of liquid plastic reduces noise and the risk of slipping on stairs. Listen, new tricks for you. Here's how you can perfectly create right angles by cutting 45-degree corners. Didn't bring a saw? Don't worry, we can still cut the PU heating insulation panels with a small frame and fishing string. The bond between steel and concrete after drilling can withstand great weight, ensuring the project's safety. With just a nail and tape, you can easily create a handy tool for drawing large diameters. just laying bricks normally like that, huh? Marking and drafting all to transform the brick into pencil shape. And let's see the difference. Turn an insulation tube into a clever tools hanger that helps utilize your working space. With the electric hammer lifting bracket, you can easily adjust the drill to any angle. One way to install a door when there is only one worker. Good job! Don't spend so much time looking for the exact royal brick type for replacement. Try this tip instead.
Nice.
Say goodbye to sore back and hello to neatness and smoothness. Don't forget to protect the drain pipe with tape while arranging the stones. Mix Part A epoxy pigments evenly into Part B epoxy mortar, evenly covering the entire stone surface. Finally, use a wet sponge to wipe gently on the surface, which will help the epoxy layer adhere better. More than patching cracks, glass mesh can self-attach to enhance the durability of the working area. The chip marble sparkling effect attracts everyone's attention, adding a unique highlight to any living space. Follow these steps: a food wrap, a little bit of mortar. Wrap them up and place them. For the final step, use heat to remove the nylon layer, revealing an extraordinary stone floor for your garden. So many tools needed to be put away, and here comes a budget-friendly solution. Assists in parallel drill alignment with the bullseye bore core. Instead of putting so much effort into pounding down posts, let the machinery do it for you. Or you can consider asking it to pull posts like this. Screwing drives between two gutter panels would make rainwater stagnant. Try cutting two sides of the gutter and bend them down at a right angle. Create a glue line between the two joints. Place the other gutter on, drive in the screws, and the job is done. how to wind ratchet strap up quickly, good idea! Setting up scaffolding on your construction site is no longer a problem. Epoxy not only covers the scars, but also creates a solid protective layer and increases the life of the floor. It's no longer a tough task with the stiletto nail puller. Using wall ties will create a robust structure for building a new wall on the existing one. Don't throw away your old slippers just yet. You can transform them into unique materials to create a new paint color. The soft foam would help paints cover every detail smoothly and evenly. Make yourself a creative fish ditch with waterproof materials and bricks for your home. I hope you will be more confident in building with our shared construction tips and tricks. If you have any, tell us in the comment section below. Drop a like and follow WOW Tech for the latest updates.